It's your boy Crypto. What's going on, people? It's Tuesday, January 16th, and this is my two Satoshis for the day. Shout out first. I got to shout out Your Daily Hash for the song recommendation. He wanted me to play The Locks for the Love, and that's a classic, people. That is definitely a classic. So shout out to Your Daily Hash for the request. If you guys ever have any requests, I don't mind playing them. Doesn't even have to be rap, to be honest with you. Whatever you guys are feeling, just let me know. I will try to play it for you in the background, since I get people complaining about my rap music in the background. If you want to hear something other than rap, then send it to me, and then maybe I will play it, or maybe I won't. Hope you guys are doing well again. We are in a sea of red today, people, and we basically hit the level that I initially said we probably would. I will have to find the video where I did the TA on technical analysis on Bitcoin and said we would hit these levels. But as of recently, firstly, let me just say this: our market cap is sitting at 567 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 35% flat, and it's just red. I bet you Tether's up. Oh, Tether is up slightly. And that's just because it's trying to keep pegged with the US dollar. But pretty much sea of red here, people. Nebulo, never heard of that one. And crypto next are the only ones that I see up here at the moment. But again, that doesn't really matter. Fundamentally, we are, and I'm gonna pull this chart up. We're like in the middle of Jupiter right now again. So we bounced off of Jupiter. Now we're kind of in the upper atmosphere of Jupiter. Here's the thing. So I told you guys the other day, I have these two circles here. I said we clear this one, we score a point, basically is what I call it. That's fine, but what we need to see is a score of a point scored at the 15,000 level, and that was not achieved. We could not do it, and fell back. We actually fell. I'm gonna extend this, extend that trend line, and yeah, we're battling to stay above this trend line. We're currently above it, but we did dip below it just a little bit. But if we can close above, I'm on the hour chart, so if we can close maybe 4 or 5 hours above, the next 4 or 5 hours above this line, maybe we can try to go for a point score at 14,350 area. So let's see what happens there, and just keep an eye on it, because like I told you guys, this is, we took a nice nosedive here. So we basically touched the lows from earlier in or late in December of last year, which is 11,000, roughly 11,150 area. So if we get below that, it's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get ugly, and we're gonna see probably levels of, I'm thinking 8,300, 8,500 area. So we just need to keep an eye on that and see what happens. On to the actual article for today. It's out of Bitcoin.com. And I told you guys late last year, when Bitcoin Cash was added to actually be traded on CoinDesk and GDAX, said then, this is a watermark event for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Really more so for Bitcoin Cash. I mean, you can say Bitcoin as well, because I just think that now people, again, I know I sound redundant, but I just want to make sure you guys understand this. You know, from Coinbase being the major exchange for U.S. residents, you know, to see two Bitcoin tokens up, or coins up there, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, seeing that they only have 4 tokens or cryptocurrencies anyway. I'm talking about Coinbase. It was a pivotal point in a high watermark or a watermark event to see Bitcoin Cash added and able to be traded. So you gotta connect the dots and just take mental markers with events, you know, and when you're doing your fundamental analysis. So this is another it's small but yet big at the same time. It will have a big impact long term. So it says here, GDEX will be opening Bitcoin Cash to BTC order books on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So it says here, are you looking to trade in your old Bitcoin with its high fees and slow transactions for a brand new Bitcoin Cash? That's funny. That sounds really really like sales pitchy. But or you just want to offload the Bitcoin Cash you have been holding since the fork. Either way, there is some good news for customers of GDEX. The exchange will start offering BTCH to BTC trading again in a couple of days. It goes on to say here, GDEX Exchange, a subsidiary of San Francisco headquartered Coinbase, has announced that it will open the Bitcoin Cash Bitcoin pair order book on Wednesday, January 17th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Besides pitting the two cryptocurrencies against each other in a way that allows speculating on the stronger instrument, it will also create a way to acquire Bitcoin Cash from GDEX users who would otherwise couldn't buy it, such as Europeans, as the venue doesn't currently offer a BCH euro pair. Right. So it goes on to say limited only mode. So it says GDEX is only introducing a new market state called limit only. So no market orders, basically. I'm assuming is what they're saying. You just can't fill at any whatever the current bid ask is. In this state, customers will only have the ability to place limited orders and cannot place market orders. That's what I just said. They say that this is meant to ensure traders have full control of the field price by only allowing orders with an explicit set limit. The company specified that the Bitcoin Cash market will open in post-only mode for a minimum of 30 minutes before entering limit-only mode, followed by full trading mode. Okay. All right. So there you have it, man. I keep telling you guys to really keep an eye on this Bitcoin Cash debacle and debate. It's open source, and so you can say they stole the brand and all that. Well, there's no stealing when it's open source. It's just, it is what it is. We're in a decentralized environment for the most part, and the best one is going to win. And I've told you guys over and over again, seeing that Coinbase has added Bitcoin Cash means a lot, and it is a very important event that occurred. I thought, and from what the Coinbase email was from way back in when actually Bitcoin Cash forked from Bitcoin, the email that Coinbase put out at that point seemed to lend toward being able to allow customers to actually get their coins off of Coinbase in January or early January of 2018. So when they came out with the news that they're going to actually not only allow you to withdraw your tokens but actually trade them on their platforms, that's a very important event and milestone, and gives Bitcoin Cash the upper hand on a lot of other cryptocurrencies. Monero is not on there. I'm sure they're going to be adding. Coinbase has said that they're actively looking to add more tokens and coins, so that will come in the future. But as of now, you've got 4, and you're going to see buying pressure once this sell-off is over, that will be beneficial for all of those coins and tokens on Coinbase, I should say. So leave your thoughts. Let me know, what do you guys think about the Bitcoin Cash Bitcoin pair? That is gonna, to me, open it up for a lot more volume and trading with Bitcoin Cash. So my long term, I don't think it is anything necessarily immediate or instant. It's going to be a longer term type of play, bullish play, in my opinion, for Bitcoin Cash, with these every step it takes, And there's actually another article. I don't want to have this video be too long, so maybe I'll save that for another day. But another article on Bitcoin Cash and some things going on, some adoption from other companies and stuff. So we'll keep a pulse on it. I told you guys I'm following this closely. I still have all of my Bitcoin Cash and am looking to acquire more. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you join the Webbot Room. Make sure you join the channel, subscribe, click that bell, all that good stuff. Click the thumbs up for this video, and I will check you guys out. Well, I'll probably have one video that I'll do before I leave tomorrow for Miami. And shout out to my people in Miami. I will be hooking up with you guys. Maybe we'll do a meetup or something while I'm down there. I'll be there for 3 or 4 days or something like that. So I'll keep you guys posted in the Webbot Room about that. I'll check you guys out. I'm out. Holla.